Ira J back with Bright Auto. This is the Cadillac that I mentioned this morning that was gonna come in. We're gonna be using Meguiar's Canuba Canuba wax and wash and wax product and Meguiar's detail spray. Not endorsed by Meguiar's or anything. I grew up using their products, and all their products have a base. And it seems like all their stuff works together if you know how to put it together. But anyway, I used 2 ounces of the wash and 2 ounces of the detail spray and 32 ounces. I took out 2 ounces, of course it's 28 ounces of water. Plus those 4 give me 32 ounces. Shook very well. I'm using it I'm gonna use it as a wash, a waterless, a wash and a rinseless wash. Sorry. Let them come back and show you the results. I don't have a tripod and stuff like that. Like I said, you gotta walk before you run. To show you me doing this in process. But I'll be back to show you the results. Ira J from Bright Auto. Back soon.